Oh, Ethan's gonna go try making a friend with Max. Aw. I don't like to be held. Oh, look at Aubrey's got a friend. Say bye, Sally. Come on, Aubrey, let's see how far you can walk, ma'am. And we'll get you your walker so you can more easily cruise. Dad's chasing off the neighbor dogs that are barking at the kids. Those guard dogs like to bark at everything. It's cute though, because Aubrey doesn't care about those dogs, huh? You still try to say hi to those dogs. Oops! Ay, clean those hands. Yes, ma'am. You're doing good, little girl. You want Mama's hand? You want Mama? Jeez, look at you. Good job. Yeah. Well, we're going downhill, so that's okay. You can hold my hand while we go downhill. Okay. Let's go this way. Towards Dada. Okay. Oh no! Yeah.
That ran over at him upstairs.
Yeah, I caught it on film.
He's like, what the heck are you doing?
Yeah, he's like, I don't think you're supposed to be doing that to me.
No, he's hiding over there by the fence. Look at him. He's way over there.
Yeah.
He's like, this dude is crazy.
You are
That dude is not supposed to do that.
Oops.
I got you. I got you. I got you.
Hi, boo-boos. You ready?
You knock all these pokies on my butt.
Nasty little guys, huh? I'm off it. I'm on it. Hey.
I can't reach.
There's tons of leaves on the ground that you can hold for your goats.
I can't reach.
Look at him. He's like, yeah, I'll park you.
I can't reach.
Yep, exactly. Huh?
I can't reach.
You've got leaves on the ground.
Huh?
Pick up all those. All those leaves.
That's a bug.
They fell down from the tree.
Yeah?
Yeah, because it's fall. Yes, ma'am. Can I help you? Yeah, you let me pet you.
Huh?
There, let me pet them. There's bugs.
Huh?
I don't want there to be bugs. All right, come on.
That's a bug.
Pick up your leaves. Hi, Abby. Are we having technical difficulties? Oh, you found a ball. You gonna toss it? You want to go over to your goats? They're playing with your sister. Yeah, they're having fun with your sister. Come on. Come on, Abby. Come on, Missy ma'am. It's easier for you to walk right here. Hey, good job. She was about as quiet.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.